Unlock the future of your data by predicting upcoming trends using Tableau's powerful forecasting feature. First, make sure you have a time series chart. Drag your date dimension to the columns shelf and your desired measure, like sales, to the rows shelf. Navigate to the analysis menu at the top, then select forecast, and then show forecast. Tableau automatically generates a forecast based on your data. To customize your forecast, go back to analysis, forecast, and then forecast options. Here, you can adjust the forecast length, confidence intervals, and even choose a different forecasting model. Tableau offers several forecasting models, including automatic, which selects the best model for your data, or you can manually choose between exponential smoothing or specify a custom model if you have advanced requirements. The shaded area represents the confidence interval, showing the range of possible values for the forecast. A narrower interval indicates a more precise forecast. Experiment with different visualizations to present your forecast effectively. You can combine the forecast with your actual data in a single chart or display the forecast values in a table. Forecasting in Tableau empowers you to make informed decisions, predict future outcomes, and gain a competitive edge in today's data-driven world.